Apple's latest unveiling, the Apple TV 2025, is turning heads not just as a sleek streaming device, but as a groundbreaking all-in-one entertainment powerhouse. Every year, Apple has a knack for flipping expectations on their head with drab little boxes transformed into future-proof hubs of innovation, and this time is no exception. The evolution begins under the hood. While the current Apple TV 4K runs on the A15 Bionic, which once dazzled the world inside the iPhone 13, in 2021, that chip now feels outdated amid rivals packing AI-driven tech and faster performance. That's where the Apple TV 2025 stands to leap ahead. Rumor has it Apple is swapping in the A17 Pro chip fresh from the iPhone 15 Pro with all the advancements that come with it: major efficiency gains, blazing speed, and Wi-Fi 6E support. Streaming becomes smoother and more future-ready, potentially paving the way for 8K content in the years to come. But Apple seems to be raising the stakes even further with gaming. The A17 Pro already handles console-level titles like Resident Evil Village and the Resident Evil 4 remake on the iPhone, so picture what it might do: a purpose-built set-top box instead of a phone. Thanks to Metal FX upscaling and optimized APIS, Apple TV 2025 could host AA games in full 4K at 60 FPS. Silent, compact, and powerful, this streaming box might just serve as a living room console killer. Some analysts even whisper that Apple could surprise with an A18 chip instead, offering an even longer shelf life as console performance climbs. Fans' long-standing pleas for better sound may finally be answered. The new model is tipped to offer lossless audio streaming, delivering studio-quality sound to home systems rather than compressed audio. At enhanced Dolby Atmos and possibly even DTS:X, and the listening experience could become truly immersive. On the visual side, HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support might expand further, possibly even offering 8K output. Yes, almost no one has an 8K TV yet, but Apple's philosophy has always leaned toward prepping your tech for tomorrow, not just yesterday. Design critiques may also meet their match this year. The familiar black plastic box, while iconic, has grown a little stale. Leaked whispers hint at an aesthetic overhaul: a brushed metal body, a black anodized aluminum or space silver, lending a sleeker, more premium look, one that feels more aligned with Apple's current design DNA. Gaming is the name of the game, from the looks of it. Apple Arcade has offered hundreds of casual games, but the Apple TV 2025 could be the real start of AA gameplay in the living room. Imagine firing up an intense console-caliber game with a Bluetooth 5.3 controller, crystal clear at 4060 FPS, silent and compact. Progress would sync across devices with iCloud pickup on your TV where you left off on your iPhone or iPad. And crossplay could open further doorways into multiplayer and Apple's broader ecosystem. Even beyond straight gaming, the Apple TV might evolve as an AR/VR gateway, especially with Apple's Vision Pro headset. It could offload rendering-intensive tasks, serve as a sync hub, or power immersive experiences from your living room ceiling, combining living room television with tomorrow's immersive media. As for release timing, Apple typically unfolds new hardware in September alongside the iPhone. Insider chatter points to an announcement around September 9th or 10th, with pre-orders shortly thereafter and shipping aimed for around the 19th, a perfect push into the holiday shopping window. Pricing appears modestly adjusted. The base model could tick up from $129 to around $149, with a higher-end version sporting more storage, Ethernet slotting between $169 and $179. Apple might sweeten the deal by doubling storage or adding premium features to soften the price increase, still competitive against consoles or other high-end streaming boxes. Smaller but significant enhancements are likely to: full Matter and Thread support for smarter home integration, or redesigned Sierra remote with USB-C charging, maybe even a built-in tracker to fend off couch cushion black holes or remotes go missing. More RAM and energy efficiency would round out the upgrades, supporting smoother multitasking while aligning with Apple's carbon-neutral goals. In the end, this isn't just a spec bump. It's Apple positioning the Apple TV as a cornerstone for entertainment, gaming, media, home control, and immersive future experiences, all packed into one elegant, silent box. If all these pieces fall into place, Apple TV 2025 may well be the most transformative iteration, yet so much more than a streaming device. It's on track to become the central hub for everything you watch, play, listen to, and explore.